Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, is a symbol of modernity, planning, and natural beauty. But how did this city come to be? Let's take a journey through time to explore the history of Islamabad. After Pakistan's independence in 1947, Karachi served as the nation's capital. But by the 1950s, it became clear that Karachi, a bustling port city, was not an ideal administrative center. The government needed a location that was more centralized, secure, and free from the congestion of a commercial hub. In 1958, President Ayub Khan decided to establish a new capital. The chosen site was in the northern part of the country, near the Margalla Hills, offering a strategic location with a moderate climate and stunning natural beauty. The task of designing Islamabad was entrusted to a Greek architect, Konstantinos Apostolou Doxiadis. His vision was to create a city that blended modernity with tradition and urban planning with nature. The city was divided into sectors, each with its own residential, commercial, and recreational facilities. Islamabad was designed to be a city of the future, with wide roads, ample green spaces, and a grid-based layout. The Margalla Hills National Park was preserved to maintain the city's connection with nature. Construction began in the early 1960s, and the city started to take shape. Key landmarks, such as the Pakistan Secretariat, the President's House, and the Supreme Court, were built to house the government. The city was officially declared the capital of Pakistan on August 14, 1967. One of Islamabad's most iconic landmarks, the Faisal Mosque, was completed in 1986. Designed by Turkish architect Vedat Dalakay, it became a symbol of Islamic architecture and a major tourist attraction. Today, Islamabad is a thriving metropolis, home to over 1 million people. It is known for its high standard of living, educational institutions, and diplomatic enclave, which houses embassies from around the world. The city continues to grow, balancing modernity with its natural surroundings. It remains a testament to the vision of its planners and the resilience of the Pakistani people. From its inception as a planned capital to its status as a vibrant city, Islamabad stands as a symbol of Pakistan's aspirations and progress. Its history is a reminder of how vision, planning, and determination can transform a dream into reality. Islamabad, the city of peace, continues to inspire and welcome people from all walks of life.